Okay, so in this case, we're in Daimon and we want to go to Asakusa, and the price is 220 yen. But if you don't know the price, you can buy a cheaper ticket and use the fare adjustment machine to pay the rest afterwards. So now we're gonna buy, say, 180 yen ticket. Now we will catch the train, and afterwards we will use the fare adjustment machine to get out of the station. Okay, so we're here at Asakusa station now. We have to pay 220 yen and we paid 180. Say if you don't know how much you have to pay, you come to this machine. So now you just have to put in your ticket here. You can choose to get off here, and it says I have to put 40 yen. So you just put 40 yen. And the machine gives you a new ticket to get outside the station, and that's it.